Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create an eye-catching poster in Canva, step by step using the 2025 interface. Whether it's for school, events, social media, or business promotions, this beginner-friendly guide will have you designing like a pro in minutes. Let's jump right in. First of all, go to canva.com and sign in or create a free account if you haven't already. Canva works in your browser, and there's also an app for mobile and tablet. Both work great. Once you are in, you will land on your Canva dashboard where the magic happens. To start designing, click the search bar and type poster. You will see a lot of preset size. The standard is 18 into 24 inches or 42 and 59.4 cm A2 size, but you can choose what suits your needs. Click create a blank poster to start from scratch, or select a template if you want something pre-designed. Canva gives you thousands of free and premium templates. Pick one that fits your purpose, like school projects, event announcements, or business ads. Click any element to customize it. Click on Add Text from left side, then add the text box, then zoom in and position it. Reposition and give your title here. Use the top bar to change fonts, colors, and sizes. Select the title like poster. Replace the text. Write poster. Then customize it like bold. Then color like red. Fonts or handwriting fonts like this. And to move anything, just drag and drops. Super simple. Change background color or images using the toolbar on the left. Want to add your own photo, logo, or graphic? Click Uploads from left sidebar, then click Upload Files. Once uploaded, drag it into your poster from and resize the picture like that. You can also add shape and lines for structure. Insert icons from the element tabs. Use photos for free stocks images. Canva even lets you remove backgrounds with one click if you are a Canva Pro user. Let's spice it up with some effects. Click on text or images. Then go to effects. From here, then select from here like glow or outline for bold title or neon. Curve your text for circular design. You can increase in intensity from here. Now in Canva 2025, you can use Magic Design, Canva's AI that helps you generate layouts from your text or images. Just click Magic Design. Then describe what you would like to create. You can also use text to image to generate unique art using AI, perfect for when you want to stand out fast without starting from scratch. Once you are done designing, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner. Then download. Choose the format, PDF print. For high quality print poster, PNG or JPG for digital posters, or even MP4 videos or zip if you used animation. Canva will prepare your file and you are ready to print or post online. Quick bonus tips. Use rural and guides view show rurals to align perfectly. For that, click enter Shift plus R from your keyboard. Here you can see, then drag it down. Keep text readable like that. Don't use more than uh, two fonts. Less is more. Leave white space for cleaner design. Use brand kits if you want to create posters with your logo and color consistency. And that's it. You just made a pro level poster using Canva in 2025. No design skills required. If you found this helpful, give it a like, comment your questions below, and subscribe for more Canva and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.